Hello Casio fans from all over the world. Today's video will bring in highlight an orange watch. Yes, it is a Baby G. It's an orange watch. It's a Baby G. Initially my friend has bought it in a pretty bad condition. €5 maybe, 4, I don't know. And now looks like this. Stay tuned as we will learn together how to replace the battery, AC reset it, and maybe review it a little. This is how the watch came into my attention. A bit too much orange for me, but I don't judge. Dressed well in certain conditions, I am positive that this Baby G can become the star of the show. A G-Shock construction with the case and its protective shell gives robustness to the watch. On top we have also the metal frame, and we shall see further on that the purpose of it is to keep the bottom shell on its position. The orange textile band has cleaned quite well, and I am thinking it could be an aftermarket band, but as I look at the clasp with the Casio logo, I think it's the original band. Next, I will replace the battery and we shall see further on if this baby has some aura. For replacing the battery, we would need to open the back case. Being a G-Shock, some preceding steps are necessary. First, remove the strap by carefully pulling it. It's a tricky process because these adapters might be old and you don't want to break them. Remove the frame by widening the sides. Now the bottom shell will fall down. Untighten the 4 screws and remove the back plate. These band adapters have some shoulders. Unpress them so that the back plate can be removed. Now remove the rubber cover of the module, but pay attention further on to that small spring, not to lose it. To remove the old battery, with a needle unclip from the wider side the plate that secures the battery. Replace it with a new CR1216 battery. Now put back the plate that secures the battery. Attach the narrow side and press on the wider side until you hear the clicking noise. Let's check if the watch works. Nope, it doesn't. Don't get too sad. We would need to AC reset it. To do this, we need to make short circuit in between the contact from the PCB, which is positioned next to the AC mark, and the plus from the battery, basically the plate of the module. Use a metal tweezer, or if the construction allows, use a needle as I did. Perfect. Now the watch is ticking. Let's put the watch together. Put back the rubber cover and the rubber seal into the dedicated area. Put back the back case and tighten it with the 4 screws. Attach the bottom shell and fix it with the metal frame. Attach the band and the process is done. This is the timekeeping mode. Hitting light will enable this beautiful LED, white LED. With the start-stop pusher, we toggle in between 12 or 24-hour format. Pressing mode once, we enter into the alarm menu. Pressing start-stop, we will enable or disable the alarm or the hourly chimes. To set up the alarm, we would need to hit light, then we can set up the desired value of the alarm. Next mode would be the stopwatch. Start-stop, and with light we reset the values. The third mode is the time and date adjustment. With light pusher, we toggle to the value that we need to adjust, and with start stop we adjust the needed value. To save, we hit mode again. The BG-301 features the compact rounded case that defined the first generation of the Baby G watches, similar to my BG-140. Take care and see this video also. It was offered in several color combinations, including black, green and pastel variants. It is lightweight and it is comfortable thanks to this textile strap. It is an excellent everyday watch while maintains the toughness expected from the G series. In regards to dimensions, this watch has a diameter of around 41 millimeters. The lock to lock it is about 34 millimeters and the height of the watch is 13 millimeters. In regards to weight, 42 grams. Give or take. In regards to construction, this watch has a plastic case which is covered by a plastic shell composed of two layers, the top layer and the bottom layer. The bottom layers, as mentioned previously, it is sticked to the watch thanks to this metal frame. For the back case, we have the same information that we are used from Casio, the Casio logo, the material of this back case, stainless steel, the module number 1455 and the model name BG-301. In regards to water resistance, it is around 100 meters and it was made in Malaysia. In regards to bracelet, this watch uses a textile one, similar to the NATO straps, but it is attached to the watch with these adapters. Now these adapters are having the shoulders that helps better fixation on the wrist. The watch was released also with resin straps. What I find very strange on this watch is the pushers. They somehow do not stay aligned with the case. They move left to right or they are somehow misaligned. I'm not sure why is this. To give a conclusion about this watch, it's a woman watch, a girl's watch. Yes, and yes, it respects the quality of Casio. It respects the features of Casio and it respects everything that Casio has to offer. Reliability, quality, and you can trust it. So in case one watch falls into your hands, take it. It will be suitable for your wife or child. See you next time with the occasion of the next video.